And also book us for any kind of event with this number shown on your screen. Please, all the Akwa artists, we are coming there. We are coming there from Calabar. We are coming to Akwa to feature all the Calabar all the Akwa artists. When we come there, we will feature comedians, we will feature musicians, we will feature producer, we will feature even native doctor, governor, anything that you are good at, we will feature you. Dancers. So please, just get ready for us and see you on Monday, see you on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe. Subscribe.